For decades, printed instructions for use, IFU, have been a standard part of medical device packaging. While important for product information and safety, they also contribute to paper consumption and environmental impact. At Shah Eye Care, we are taking a smarter and greener approach with electronic instructions for use, eIFU. By replacing a printed IFUs with digital access, we help reduce paper consumption, minimize waste, and support a more sustainable future. Here's how you can access eIFU. Locate the eIFU symbol and QR code on the product packaging. Scan the QR code using your smartphone camera or Google Lens. Click the displayed link. Download and view the IFU instantly. No paper, no clutter. Always accessible whenever you need it. eIFU. Smart for healthcare, better for nature.